Allegheny Tower, Stationair 940, Mike Romeo, holding short, runway 28.
40 Mike Romeo, Allegheny Tower, runway 28, turn right heading 060, clear for takeoff.
Runway 28, clear for takeoff, turn heading 060, 940 Mike Romeo.
308.
Clear track 308, short approach approved, runway King, Archer traffic, extend.
Runway 28.
Pittsburgh departure, have a good one.
Contact Pittsburgh departure, thank you, 0 Mike Romeo.
South Tower,
0 Mike Romeo. Pressure down to 28, my RPM's down to 23. Gain 1,515 degrees.
Syrian 210 Kilo Alpha, Cleveland Center now 126.7.
$9,500 to avoid these clouds.
07700, Charlie, thanks.
Great, at 10,000.
Center 940, Mike Romeo.
Let's final 250, Jazz 922. Go ahead.
There's some airspace ahead, inactive, 0 Mike Romeo.
0 Mike Romeo, you can contact.
24.32, 0 Mike Romeo. 40 Mike Romeo, A600 for 9,500.
158 off Mike, great day, sir.
Alright, cross 13 miles south of Cleveland Center 940, Mike Romeo, 89.
Center Skylane 5536 November. And we like that 0 for 36 November. For 3014 into the Skylane, sir.
E116, climb in to 190. Mike Romeo, 9,500. 2014, Mike Romeo.
Gonna 21 for 220.
Romeo, I'm dropping down to 7,500. Mike Romeo, 8,500. 140 Mike Romeo. 940 Mike Romeo.
940.
And I flew through it about an hour ago. I assume it's up inactive, 0 Mike Romeo.